Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Me and Hartman Adventures out, and we at Rio Bueno Beach, guys, doing fishing training lessons today. So big up yourself, guys. We have the lines baited out. We're still waiting on the people to get here. Have all our bait ready. Gio's here just as well, one of our instructors, and another Gio's here just as well. And we're there in Rio Bueno, guys. So basically I'm going to set these lines until these guys reach. I got some shrimp out, I got soldier crab, mullet, I got concrete eel, I got all kinds of different bait, guys. So we're going to try all different baits out here today. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out. There goes Hartman himself. There, you see people. Come on. Shore fishing.
Yes, you're going to work the drone as well? Or you want
yes,
to
yeah, I'll work the drone. I got it. Yeah, that's one of my most
So you
expensive.
fish in America?
I fish everywhere. Go ahead.
Yeah, subscribe.
Run line. Yes, definitely. Run out.
Wanna catch crab too?
Yeah, I have everything for bait, man. There's all kinds of bait here, all different baits. Even concrete eel I got for bait here. So.
Yeah.
Stand up! Wrap up! Alright, brother. Cool, man. Yeah, guys, so we're here building some rigs for these kids. Basically, some hand rigs. Go ahead, run. Straight down. Go on down, man. Whoop.
Hold on.
Go on the road. Alright. Come in. I'll get these kids set up real quick. Run, look.
I know when it fell off.
Yeah. That's funny, right? Go on up. Stand up. Not road. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna tie up some rigs for them. Quick local single rig.
Ready?
Yeah. Are you ready? You too? You'll learn today. You're around some pros today, guys. You hear?
He's ready, sir?
He's doing that now. Hold it. Yeah, go on. Come. Try to put it on the back of cap, man. Like so, to make it safe on the back. See him? So you walk down so with it, and then you wrap your round just around the back of tight here. Go on. Go on all the way down to the tree down so. Weird on that tree so. Just run with the back, man. Just go on with the back. Run with the back and then you wrap you up. You want to show him what to do here? Go on out that tree. Just run down that tree and don't wrap you up yet. Go on down that tree first. Alright, good.
It's just done.
Yo, I want to leave 6 inches.
He's right. He got the concept. He got the concept.
Oh, go.
Alright, good. In good.
Alright, stop.
Alright, when I wanna show him how to wrap up that here. Show him how to wrap up.
Oh, yeah, look.
Go in the middle part. On the quarter part.
O'Neil. Now you go number 12 hook to them here, O'Neil.
Number how much?
Yeah, rookie fish.
One hook to you. Don't lose it now. One hook to you. I'll show you how to tie it. One hook to you. One hook to you.
I wrong you know tie you know so no to tie.
Alright, guys, hold it. Let me set you guys up real quick. Don't drop it, please. Let me show you guys a trick.
Hey, that I don't you, sir.
Yes, sir. Hold it. Alright, let me show you something. Alright, so now, guys, when you're going to string your hook, put your cord through the hook like this. Come through, right? When you come through, hold it like this on the back of the hook. See it? See what I did? Watch me now, watch me first. Hold it on the back of the hook. and then you go like this one. 1, 2, 3, and then you pinch up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go back to the loop right here, like this. And then you hold the string, the right end, and pull up on top here. So what happened?
Yes, good tight and tight.
Alright, watch. So now, I'm just trying to set you guys up quick so I can get to the rest of the groups.
This is the line?
Yes, sir. Heads up. Here goes a pack of hooks. You have hooks? Alright. Sorry. Look inside my tackle bag in that top pocket up there. You see the spark plugs, the top one, the top pocket where you see the strings across. So you see me push it back through the hole. Watch now. I'm gonna do this. I go around my finger one time with 2 of them. Hold 2 of them. Go on the finger one time, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5. We got 5 first. Pull tight. Watch. See that? Look this. Watch this now.
You can put down one extend.
Watch now. Watch. Show you something. You go like this. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Sorry. Don't worry about it. And you push it back through the loop. You bring this up, the knot above right there like this. And like this. Oh, you know running.
No running. Auntie.
Alright. Give me spark plug them. Spark plug them, not a big bag. Yeah.
Ah, dog.
Take out spark plug out of the bag. Yeah.
Go near, I see.
Oh, you have put on your weight in an easy.
Alright, hold it. Take out one each for you guys.
Yeah, man, sir. More time I hook.
Yeah, handicap enough. You see this now? Watch. You see how this open right here, so? Yes, sir. You get something heavy, right? And you just go like this and close it. See it close now? Alright? So now, push the card through there like this. And go so. 1, 2, 3. See? Push it back to the loop up here like this. Pull up on the string and then that lock. You're ready to fish now. See?
Sir, from what? What are you going to get?
No, look on China. Look on.
Alright, guys.
That's a skill. That's a skill.
Watch. Pay attention. Look, pay attention again. Go through the hole. Go through the hole. Come through, right? Give yourself some distance and go like this. Hold on the back. Pinch. Then you take your hand and hold it loose end. 1, 2, 3. Pinch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend it, go through the hole. Come back through. The loose end now you hold it like this, and then you hold this end like this and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just so. Alright guys, so now, alright, let me get this sorted out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes guys, I'm actually tying up some rigs with them real quick, get their rig set up so they can start.
Okay.
So,
Introduce yourself for me, please.
name is Jerry from Jamaican Shore Fishing. That's what's up.
There we go. And we have these young men. Turn around and say hi.
Hi.
Okay. And we have Mr. Dane there. Thank you for making it happen.
Alright, that's you. Good. Hold on, wrap up that. Watch your legs. Alright, so next one. I'm getting their rig set up real quick for them. You heard, Dane? So, tying them up real quick. So watch. Guys, pay attention to this because this is the official tying of a T-knot. Alright guys, we call this a T-knot. Yes? Just hold on to that for a second. Don't drop none of them on the beach, please. Just hold on a second, you.
Boy, let me roll up on you in the river.
Alright?
See me the river.
Hold on a second, guys. Let me get this up. Let go. Alright, guys. There you go. when they are feeding close.
You see some disappear, you know?
That the one they can pitch me out, you know, man.
You don't like camera, man.
I have one number bag. Now I'm hungry. Eel. I eel.
Oh, you see me?
Give me a spark plug.
Can't see big old eel and talk about swimming.
Then have to be careful on the reel and stuff here. Where's Xtreme at? Huh? Alright, they got their group already? Alright, you guys are good with this now. Everybody's good. Who's not set up yet? You. Alright, good. DJ, you got his plug?
DJ got one, man.
Take out one thing, please.
You are company lead in our race. So where are the days? What are you going to do? Here, ready? I did drive.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is there enough?
Yeah. Alright, let's keep doing it.
Younger ones are going to use water. Okay, the younger ones are going to use water.
Yeah, we're just setting up some rigs for them to go on their own when they're ready. After we give them the first initial lesson.
Okay.
So their clients are ready, guys. We got them set up, got their rigs set up, got their rigs tied up. Now I'm going to attend to the next group over here, guys, that I'm going to use my rod and reel, give them a casting lesson. And then I'll get back to the kids once they doing their thing. But they're good to go. They're all set. They know what they're doing. And we out here. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So we here. O'Neill's fix up. Who's unattended to?
Hartman is going to take
Oh, you want your setup too? Alright.
These guys are just getting their hand line ready.
Alright, so alright. Who needs some assistance with hand line? Who caught a fish? Alright, come here. Let me get you a plug. Come on. Hey, you guys getting any bite yet? You come off. You have to set the hook, you know. CJ. Nah, man, just wind him up quick. Wind him, wind. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Alright, bait up back again and go on and see.
So, wheel it in back.
No, man, don't wait. You ain't feel nothing to bite yet. You go forward with your hand.
I know.
Wind it up forward when you want to wheel it in back.
So it said, whenever I'm going to train.
If you get a bite, you lift the rod in the ear and start winding forward on the reel.
Okay.
Alright? So if you ain't feel no bite, that means bait is still on it.
Okay.
And the line's still set. If you haven't feel any torque, and keep tension on the line. Don't let off tension off the line.
Alright, no problem.
Trying to
How
get.
do you know that something bad?
You will see it.
You will see it. You can actually see it.
Yes. Or feel it.
I feel it.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me how.
Larry!
Okay, do you think they're gonna take a shark or a snapper?
Well, I think definitely
Or a
snapper.
scratch?
No, not a scratch, but a snapper will be definitely.
Let's see how it goes.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Alright.
So whenever I want to keep tension on the line, I just keep wheeling it in, right?
Yes. Yes. Just keep the tension. Just lift the rod in the ear and keep the tension on it at all times. Because the weight's at the bottom. So what you want, look. This is how it's set. Sorry, young man. Sorry. No worry, eh?
No, could you hear Cooper?
Yes, yes. So you said, I had a general talk with everybody. I talk with everybody generally. So this is it. You understand? So the weight sits at the bottom and the hook sits up top. So when you keep tension on it, the bait stays in the air and not on the ground.
Okay.
So what happened, the fish is gonna see it and grab it.
Right.
Give me a second, young man. Here, 1 minute. Here, you got your line in?
They're easy.
All right. Well, bring it back and let me put bait on it. You got a bottle? All right. Good.
Mine first.
Give me a second here, darling.
Shrimp.
Hold on. Don't pull that.
Shrimp. Shrimp. They alive. They dead. You see head cut off. I know iron.
A bait?
hold it 1 second. Yeah.
One tail there.
Just take peel off the bait, the shell off of it. Guys, we get these guys situated. Alright, come on, let me get you out. Give me 1 second, sweetie. Let go. Alright, you good? Put your look shorter. Just wind you up on the back, look shorter. Come, DJ. Watch me. Move. Watch out of the way. Watch me now. Here they now. Come, put tension on your line here. Come, me can help you. Hold on. Hold it. Give me 1 second. Let me get you. Wrap him up on the line.
Yeah, rub it.
Right, look, watch. Mommy. No.
Don't do that.
You have your shrimp?
No.
You have to get more shrimp. Come on. Come good on, sir. Yeah. Hold it. Carry. Come good on, sir. Get some more shrimp.
Larry, for your team, the guys, they're launching out, so I have to be very careful.
Yes. Alright, come on. Alright, guys. You good? Alright, guys. We have these kids are working each other. Alright. You know, you need to give us some bait. Cover your mouth here. Don't worry about that. Watch.
You know if you do here?
Yeah?
You know if you do?
You know if you do it?
Yeah.
Alright, when you throw you out. Make sure you hand your hand on so you can get you off the ground. Come remember say you're short, you're short like me, Here? Alright. Alright, your turn. Alright, give me a second. Watch on the step, guys.
I was first. No, I'm the one who asking first. I'm the one who had. So what is that? He was down there, and I was here. Guess what?
Alright, guys, no fighting.
I even do this fighting.
Alright, guys? No fighting, guys.
Oh, you have sparkle like rice there.
Welcome!
Boss off.
May I call on the phone for a man and I don't answer, dog. Yeah, I need help. I need help.
Blood, power.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
That take place. You take out your foot.
Hey,
Judge of God. So, alright, we have groups. We have 4 different groups, guys. So, we're trying to get these kids spread out. So,
We have some light if you want more light.
yes.
No, we light up like Kevin. Go for the 2 line that we have the bag on the floor. Hurry up.
The Geo done this, so. Yeah!
Fish line.
Watching. Pull it through. Once you pull it through, right? Oops, sorry. Just hold it like this and pull it. And it goes tight. You see it?
So we're gonna have to think of
Yeah, give me a second. 3, 4, 5. Alright? Come on, guys. Alright. So you go like this now, cross. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright?
Why it can use
Come on, come on. You're in the same way. I'll give you guys more bait in a second, don't worry. Alright. Alright, when I hook this up for you, you see the guy down there with the hoodie? Geo? Go down to Geo, right? And have Geo cast it out for you, alright? I'm gonna give you some bait and you take it down with you, okay? Geo is down there on the other end. Any guys you see in one of these shirts, look. This shirt, Jamaican Shore Fishing shirt, link him, alright? Here. Let me set this up for you. Yes, guys. So, yeah.
This is my first time fishing.
Alright, go on.
Thank you.
So go to Anthony. His name is Anthony. He's right there, okay? The guy in the white shirt. Huh? I'll put it right there for on top. Please. What I want, youth? Where you there for when? You're missing, youth. Can I fish today? Can I fish today? Yeah, guys, so I got one of the guys out there. I gotta get bait out, get these kids fishing, and get them in the water. Anybody caught fish down there yet? TJ caught a big one? Eh? And he no care come show me? I mean, I teach him. He said, boy, that's somebody. The outside, and how you guys doing down there? Run out of bait, not sure. Yeah?
Yeah.
No, man. Hold on there. Now come to you. Give me a fish second. Man. Anybody catch fish?
One of them, the same fat guy catch two of them come off right.
Kinda set the line. Huh? You need shrimp? Yeah. I got shrimp. Shore fishing, we have Anthony here, guys. We have Xtreme Fishes here. Hartman Adventures is here. We're giving these kids a fishing lesson today, guys. This is the fishing lesson that we were talking about all the time. So we have our friend here raking up the beach for us. Good friend of mine, making sure the beach is clean for the team here, guys, and for everything. O'Neill from Xtreme Fishes is actually giving them a one-on-one lesson right now. You good? She shrimp just so you know. Carry done something for them done this. So them not then come back and forth here.
Yeah.
You good? Wrap up your line properly. Pull out the line and straighten it and wrap it up properly. Untangle it. Take your time and untangle it. Don't give up so easy, son. You can't give up so easy. Untangle the line. Take your time and untangle the line and wrap it back up on this, and then you can give it to someone else that needs it, alright? Just don't leave the hook laying on the ground so someone steps on it. Please. Just give it to someone and untangle it. Help them untangle it here. Alright, here it goes. Alright, you're good to go now. Let's set you up real quick. Alright?
Yeah. I'm gonna catch a lot of fish.
Okay, like this, look. Like this. And hook it like that, alright? So, come on. Let me take you down here real quick. Hold on a second. I'm coming to you. Come. Alright? So watch me. You unhook, you hold it down like it's not on the ground, so it swings, alright? It has to swing. So when you swing it like a big circle, is it? And then you hold tension by your line like so. Just keep the line in your hand, and when you're ready to bring it in, you wrap it up on the back like so here. And just hold your hand on this, hold your hand right after like so. And you'll see when the fish bite on you, and the fish bite on you, pull it hard. Here? If you feel the fish bite, you keep your hand on your ear like so. Yes. If you feel the fish bite on you, just pull him hard. You feel something? Hold on. Wrap up on the back of the here. Teach him now. You want bait?
What look?
You're not up. Untangle it, man. Take it up, untangle it. Unwind it, untangle it, and then wrap it back up again. Alright? Yo, help him out. Please. Just untangle it, as unwind it, and wrap it back up again, man. Cool, man. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Who did that? Not good. You have it? Not good. All right. Let's see. These lines have bait on it.
Nothing.
Alright, let me show you how to use a different kind of bait. This is a live bait. Alright, handling these guys is kind of tricky at times. So you gotta know how to deal with them, see? So, what I normally do, take on the shell. Throw the shell away. See? This is what a soldier crab looks like. Alright? So.
Alright, come on. Yeah.
Fish on, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on, huh? Huh? On it.
If it's a sir making you really in it. Go man, him look big. Him look big.
See your picture?
Yeah, bro. Fish on. I can't agree eel, no? I can't agree eel, brother. Yeah.
Big something.
Yeah. And look, I got you in claw now. Look at the size of this blue crab.
Where you get him from? I say five fish that.
Where is Fallon? Where is Fallon?
I didn't meet the funny.
Where is Fallon?
Hungry eel.
Alright, so we set good make it.
Hungry. It's a big old blue crab. The biggest blue crab that me ever catch yet still now. Watch in the back. Watch out. Going out, guys.